Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Courtney, and if you like being able to learn how to make money online, both free and how to start a business like affiliate marketing, please subscribe to this channel because I will be sharing with you sales funnels, how to start affiliate marketing, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to use free websites to earn some money for side income. If that's what you like to learn about, then please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I've got great video coming your way. And I upload on a consistent basis daily so you can get the most out of this content. So without further ado, today we are going to talk about a website that you can use every day in your life to earn $5 or more, depending on how motivated you are to earn some money. So I'm going to share my screen and let's jump into it. So the website we're going to be talking about today is called Instagc. And how this website works is it's a get paid to website, which means you get paid to do surveys, watch videos, do tasks, click on things, do calls, download apps, etc. So I have 158.6 cents in my account, which is $1.58. Now, over here is my Amazon. That's my goal, what I want to save up for. You can always change this goal if you'd like. This is the ticker that shows you what everybody's earning and what they're cashing out for, the points that they're earning. Down here is the chat box. You can chat with people to see what offers are working. We're going to go over a brief. This is the Instagc wall. This is what Instagc offers. There's Acorn, there's AdGate Media, AdWall. Minute Staff is one of my favorites. HyperMX is also one of my favorites. It's videos. EngageMe.tv. I don't do Figure 8 because that's tasks. I don't personally do them, but you can do them if you'd like. Verturo is great. Peanut Labs, personally. Radium One is my favorite. Radium Universe is great too. Trial Pay. Video Loyalty is Passive Videos. If you've ever heard of Earn Honey, that's who owns that. Dryless Ads, Wall Ads, what is it? Offer Daddy, Kiwi Wall, and Encrave. Encraves are good too if you can get any of those. But to start off my day when I come into this website, guys, I actually bought my Christmas presents from this website, making $5 a day in the beginning of November until Christmas. And I ordered all of my Christmas gifts, everything everybody wanted online, and I used free money. Now, how did I get this money? I turned my time into making money so that I could have that money to buy my friends and family Christmas gifts. So I would go to Clicks. Clicks is the first thing I do all the time. You go into Instagc. It tells you click on the landing page banner, answer the question, and click on the next banner. This one says answer the question, click on the landing page banner. So you get 5 points for this. So we can go ahead and do this. It's going to ask you a question. We're going to click on the thing. You're just going to let it go. Best insurance quotes. You engage and complete the task for 1 point. You just do what it says, guys. It's so simple and so easy. So we're going to close out of this. Close out of this. We're doing insurance offers. So all you have to do is click go on one of them. You're going to get your free quote. It's going to determine what you do. Then you close that after you're done with that. Then you do the last one. You'll go back to the page that you were at for the clicks. You'll go to AdGate Rewards. You'll keep doing this until you're done with all your clicks. Here it says find the best insurance quotes, register for insurance quotes, and you get 1 point. After I do all of my clicks, then I'll go to my favorite offer wall. Like HyperMX says, we're all out of offers. So then I just go to Minute Staff, or I go to Radium One, and I just do down the line. You get 0.83 points when you do this, and all you do is open up the window. You click this. It's going to open up a window. You wait for it to load, and you wait a few minutes, and then it's going to credit you the 0.83. So that might not seem like a lot, guys, but your goal is $5 a day, and we're going to get into a little bit about how else you can earn with this and the rewards, because I know that's what people look for in this kind of stuff. So I love tap research. I do tap researches, but we're going to get into the gift card store. So there's all kinds. There's 1-800-Flowers. There's Pubs. There's Adidas. There's Amazon Coins. There's Airbnb. If you want to get somebody an Airbnb gift card for Christmas, there's Amazon.com. There's Walmart. There's PayPal. There's American Girl. There's American Airlines. There's American Eagle. There's tons and tons, guys, of gift cards that you can get for your points. I just happen to like Amazon because Amazon is an all-in-one website, and I can literally buy anything. You do have to have $50 cash out in other prizes if you want to get the PayPal. But you can do direct deposit, and I've done that a couple of times. You can get gift cards as long as you've redeemed at least $50 in either direct deposit or gift cards, then you can redeem for PayPal. So click up here where the cog is, and it brings up a box, and it will let you literally scroll through all of these options to get whatever you want. An e-check, direct deposit, PayPal, or a Visa prepaid card. And then you can do any denomination you'd like, up to 150, or whatever the offers, the gift card is offering the denomination. And then you just click OK, and your reward goal has been saved, and then you know how close you are to getting that goal. So right now I'm 31.61 away from getting the gift card. I've redeemed 4 gift cards for Amazon. One was 10, one was 4, one was 5, and one was 5. So I have also done direct deposits. I've done a total of 1,398 offers. I've got a weekly bonus of 0.2. So you can always just, when you watch your videos, there's 4 of these, you're going to pop out one, and then you're going to show below the rest, let them play. This total is going to come up with how many you've watched today, and it will credit you the following day. So you don't get credited right then, but you do get credited the next day. You can also go to recommended, and you can run your engageme.TV videos, excuse me. You get 0.7 cents or 0.7 every time 3 ads plays. So you'll want to do that as well. That's passive. But I love this website, guys, and I did use it for all of my Christmas shopping last year. You can also do video loyalty. It's very passive. If you're looking for some passive ways, Encrave is great. You can open the Encrave in a new window. Doesn't mean that there's going to be activities available like it says here, but you can try. So I think that I covered everything. If you have any questions, please comment below and let me know what questions you have, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Make sure you sign up for this website with the link in the description so that I can be your coach in this website, and you can get a bonus and be on my team so that I can help you earn more daily. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video so that you can help other people that are interested in earning money online just like you. And I want to thank everybody for watching, and I hope that you stay tuned for tomorrow's video because it will be one you don't want to miss. I will talk to you later, guys.